Hi guys, welcome back to another unboxing video where today I believe I'll do the unboxing for this BATCOPTER. I think that's what it says. Yeah, BATCOPTER, and yeah, I'm not an box collector. I don't collect them. I bought them and I was waiting for the right time to do the unboxing, and this thing has been, each time I see, wow, this thing is nice, and I want to unbox them, but I never got time to do so. But today it's not the same day today, so today this thing is going to come out of the box and I'm going to have some fun out of it. So before I do so, I am a big fan of comics, and I do have some vehicles. For example, this thing is the 1966 TV series Batman TV show car. It's the Batmobile 9. It's known as 66 Batmobile, and I do have some other stuff. It's a bit far out of my reach, or else I would have bought them to the video. But again, so before we do the unboxing, let's see what's on the box. We have the Batman logo. It's 2x5, so there are 5 more vehicles that needs to be collected. We have the "It's not the same without the flames" Hot Wheels slogan, and again there is some kind of another number 195 by 250, which is not something I'm very familiar. And we have the DC logo. On the back, as usual, you have the importers and manufacturing year and community years, and the maximum retail price is 120. And do be aware of people on Amazon and Flipkart. They do sell this product for 499 or maybe even close to 1000 rupees, but remember, these only cost 120, and you don't have to pay extra for just this being a Batman. No matter what the vehicle is, if you find them locally, go get them, purchase them for 120. Do not pay more than what they seems to be. So that's it. I'm eager and I'm excited, and I can't wait any longer. I know for some people who are watching this video, they'll be like hating me for ripping the boxes. There are collectors who value the box pieces, but I don't care. Oops, so close, would have fell now. Okay, so there is an holding piece, and now we have the helicopter, the Batcopter. So made in Malaysia. You have the necessary details, and there it is. You don't have any of the moving wheels despite being in Hot Wheels, but you do have a wing for this thing, and the faster you move it, it looks cool. Rather than being able to move or play like a toy, it looks cool and something that I can add to my collection. You have the rear wing, the rear fan for the turnings, and you have the side wings. Then nothing, it's completely opaque, and it's a bit heavy for an Hot Wheel. And you do have the missiles and the Batman design, and this is nice, and this is definitely going to look great in my collection. So do stick around for the close-up shots, where I'll be doing some close shootings with this thing out in the sun. Get some nice angles with this stuff. And is this thing moving? No, this do not move. Nothing does move except the fan. And I mean fan in the sense I meant propellers. So that is the right term. Basically, the propellers do move. No moving wheels. They are just